Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our third and fourth English lectures for this semester. We're very lucky today to have a selection of 7 amazing lectures by our students who studied abroad last year. Last year we had a very big group go overseas, and they've come back and they're sharing their adventures with you, and they have lots of advice for you as well. Of course, this year it's very unfortunate that because of COVID-19 we cannot send any students abroad, but I know that in the future you will have chances to study abroad. So please watch these carefully, and take notes while you write, because at the end you're going to do a report. So listen carefully. Okay, a couple of things before we start. Don't forget to write your attendance. That's really important. As it says, you can check your attendance here. Plus, every time you watch a video down here, your attendance will be recorded automatically. So we can check that you watched every video. So please watch them all. Okay? Some videos will be available today, and some videos will be available next week. So you'll need to come back next week and register your attendance again. Okay, so enjoy these videos, take notes, and we'll see you again next week. Thank you.